In this video, I'm going to show you how to add crypto in MT5 mobile app. Now, the first thing that's the most important here is you actually have to sign in to MT5 with a broker that supports crypto, okay? So to do this, you want to go to the top left, tap on the three lines, and you want to go to manage accounts, and you simply want to click or tap on the plus icon in the top right, and you want to find the broker that actually supports crypto, so the one that you're using, and actually sign into it. Now, there's a bunch of tutorials on my channel on how to actually do this for different platforms. Just find a platform that actually does support crypto and sign into it. There's a bunch of different ones. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to use this demo account from Deriv I have over here because I know they support crypto. And when you're signed in with your account that supports crypto, go to the bottom left, tap on quotes, then go to the top right, tap on the plus button, and in here, as you can see, there's a crypto folder. So I can go ahead and tap on it, and in here, there's a bunch of different cryptos I could go and just basically add to my quotes list. So for example, if I go to ETH/USD down here, I can tap on it, see the details, stuff like that. And when I want to add it, I can just tap on the plus button to the right, and it's going to get added onto my list. And that way I can go and of course add crypto. So of course you could also go to the plus top right and then search for crypto like this, ETH, and there we go. Here's Ethereum. And of course you can add one that way as well. So that's how to add crypto. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.